My name is Nurfad Nadarevic. I'm commonly known as Nurf when it comes to social media. I am one of the instructors and consultants at Truckadium. With over a decade of experience in the trucking and logistics industry, I possess an extensive knowledge and background going back to 13 years from today. Although I hold a degree in biochemistry, my professional trajectory led me into the logistics industry. My journey into the trucking industry began back in 2010 when I undertook the privilege and responsibility of running my own family business with my dad in the trucking industry. Subsequently, I had the privilege of working for Landstar, which is one of the largest North American transportation service providers. My post tenure after Landstar, I started my own independent freight brokerage journey. I am currently working as a freight broker where I am 100% dedicated in solving the pain points for my customers in all modes. That includes ground, rail, ocean, and air. I do possess specialized expertise in managing time critical, expedited shipments all around the world, domestic and international. Now, I am on a mission to share my own knowledge and everything that I have learned up to this day with students from all walks of life and better prepare them to change this industry for the better, to be a positive change in this industry and grow it into something that is going to keep us moving for generations to come. At Truckadium, I take pride in being one of the instructional team members for our popular truck dispatch and freight broker course and also our advanced freight broker course. I look forward to meeting you in one of our upcoming sessions.